How to make a film on your phone. I'm Harley J, and that's today's question. Intro. Hi, I'm Harley J, and today we're learning how to make a film on your phone. Now, of course, this is the crazy part about it. Today, my phone is dead, so we can't do my phone. But that's actually this is the crazy part. You actually don't need your phone to be on. So I'm teaching you how to make a film on your phone, because right now I'm just going to be bringing you through all those things, because the phone isn't the main part. Well, of course, there are things you want to put on your phone, but using the phone, how to use the phone, you already know how to use your phone. You already know how to take videos. That's pretty easy. So, you know what? Let's get straight into it. So, what is the first thing you gotta do? Well, of course, you can already shoot on your camera app, because most phones have a camera app. I'm using an iPhone, but if most phones have a camera app, so just shoot on there, write a script, shoot on your phone, do it like a regular film. And you're basically just gonna make a regular film like you would do on a camera, except for the camera is this small, because most people think this is the problem I know a lot of people face all the time. They say, "Oh, my phone is not a camera; it's a phone." That's wrong. The camera is just really small. Your phone has a camera. It's kind of like a bag. If you put your camera in the bag now has a camera inside of it. You might not be able to shoot when it's inside, but it's still there. Now, this just makes it easier. You're able to shoot with it inside, just like that. Now, what is the first thing you're gonna need when you're shooting? You're gonna need, just to make it a little better, you're gonna need an app like the Moment Pro or the Moment Camera app. Sorry, Moment Pro Camera app. Moment Camera app Pro. I think it's Moment Pro Camera app. You're gonna need those. Those are gonna help you turn your phone into a DSLR, which I think you know what that means. It means, well, actually, I can't break it down. I forgot it, but yeah. And just remember, some of my earliest films were shot on phones, and because I made some of my earliest films at Camp Wellfolk. T-shirt reference. I nailed that one. But yeah, do it on the phone. It's fine. It's gonna work out, and you're gonna be able to do it well. You're gonna be able to shoot well with your phone, and I know you can do it, because if I can, you can. And if I've made it this far and I've been able to do it, you can do it. If I've made money with my films, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm a kid. You're probably an adult. You might also be a kid, but if I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Maybe if you could do it, that doesn't mean I can do it. But since I can do it, that means you can do it. You understand what I mean? I'm probably younger than you, so that means that's pretty easy. And of course, this is dead, but you know what I mean. Shoot, and yeah. So you know what you gotta do next? You gotta like, subscribe, and yeah, do all that. Got it? Good. My name is Harley J. Peace out.